What is an insurance claim?
An insurance claim is a formal request to your insurance company asking for payment or coverage for a loss or event covered by your policy. Claims can relate to health, car, home, or other types of insurance. Filing a claim is the first step in getting compensated for damages, repairs, or losses as specified in your contract.
When should you file a claim?
File a claim as soon as possible after the incident, such as a car accident, property damage, or medical event. Delaying may affect the outcome, as insurance companies typically have deadlines. Collect essential details, like photographs, police reports, and receipts, right away. If you're unsure, contact your insurance provider for guidance before proceeding.
What information do you need to file a claim?
Prepare key documents such as your policy number, details of the incident, evidence like photos or receipts, and any official reports if applicable. Having this information ready makes the process smoother. The more accurate and complete your documentation, the faster your claim is likely to be processed and resolved.
How do you file the claim?
Most insurance companies let you file claims online, by phone, or through a mobile app. Follow their instructions and submit all required information. Double-check everything before sending. After submission, you'll typically receive a claim number you can use for updates or inquiries as your claim is processed.
What happens after you file?
Your insurer will assign an adjuster to review your claim. They may contact you for further details, inspect damage, or request more documents. The company will evaluate the claim according to your policy terms and notify you of the outcome. If approved, you'll receive payment or coverage for repairs and losses as agreed.
Tips for a smooth claims process.
Always keep records of communications with your insurer and copies of paperwork. Respond promptly to requests for information. Understand your policy to know what is covered and any potential deductibles. If your claim is denied, ask for a written explanation and inquire about the appeal process if you believe you're eligible.